So let's say you're thinking about buying some real estate at the beach and you look at your realtor, or worse, you walk into a model home and you say, we'd like to look at open floor plans. People, let me give you some advice. Open floor plans are a concept that was innovative in the 1980s, okay? That's like walking into a car dealership going, we'd like to look at the ones with 4 wheels, please. Or and I don't mean to be insulting, but what I'm saying is, look, if you're gonna spend $700,000 on a new house, then maybe you wanna do a little research because you're asking for 1980s technology. When you go to the Apple store to buy a new phone, they don't ask you how big your trunk is to see if you can install the phone in your trunk, right? And you're not asking for that phone. So why are you walking in asking for 1980s technology? People, let me give you a little secret and just a little idea of why you might want to do a little more research into the design of your house. If you look at open floor plans, they're great. You can see and hear everything. But keep in mind, you can see and hear everything. So the evolution of the open floor plan at Aurora Homes says, we're going to give you an open floor plan, but we're going to give your master suite some privacy. Because if you can see and hear from your bedroom what's going on in the living space, then whoever's in the living space can see and hear what's going on in your bedroom. And when you walk into one of these models and you see the open floor plan and you're checking the box, well, that's great. And that's just like Ferris Bueller's Day Off, which is one of my favorite movies. But people, Ferris Bueller is old enough to join AARP. He's a freaking grandfather now. I think maybe you should demand something a little better. Get an open floor plan and maybe some privacy. Maybe we can evolve a little bit. People, we want to take care of you. We want you to be educated. We want you to love your new house. And we want to design your house for the next phase of your life. We don't want to base the design of your house on the last phase of your life. People, if you're talking to a builder and the only thing they have for you is an open floor plan, what else are they doing from the 1980s? Do they have mullets? If they have mullets, you should just walk out. But they probably don't have mullets. But if they're not innovating, then how are you building with them for the future? That's just a thought. I'm Scott Daly with Aurora Homes. You're welcome.